Welcome to MathSolve. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a linear equation which has fraction in there. Let's start with an example. If we have x plus 2 over 3, let's say 3 equal to 3 minus 2x. So we have equation x plus 2 over 3 equal to 3 minus 2x. When you can see this kind of equation where we have a fraction, I always recommend my students to eliminate the fraction first. So we have the denominator 3. In order to eliminate that fraction, we need to multiply both sides by 3. So if you multiply this side by 3, so you can just say, okay, I'm multiplying, I can just write down in next step. So I'm multiplying this side by 3, it means I'm just writing x plus 2 over 3 multiplying by 3. And I'm doing the same here, 3 minus 2x. It's very important when you're multiplying, you are just putting in a bracket because you have to multiply both elements. So total we have 1, 2, 3 parts, so we have to multiply all these parts. So I'm putting in a bracket, so I'm just showing that I'm multiplying both sides by 3. So left hand side I'm multiplying by 3, right hand side also I'm multiplying by 3. So then you can see this 3 is definitely in the numerator and then that 3 is the denominator, and they are in a times relation here. So it means this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. So it means in the left hand side you can have x plus 2, which is equal to 9 minus, so 3 times 3 is 9, minus 3 times 2x, which is 6x. So now what we need to do, we just need to make x subject, as we need to find out the value of x. Solving the linear equations, we have to find out the value of unknown letter or polynomial. So if you move that one this side, so what I do, I always put the arrows so that I'm not missing that. So I'm just making that part in this side, so I'm changing side change, and I'm bringing the plus 2 in the other side. So when we change the side, we know that minus 6x is coming as a plus 6x. So we have already x in here, then minus 6x is coming as a plus 6x. I'm not writing that plus 2 there because we are moving that in this side. So in that side is already we have 9, and then plus 2 is coming in that side as a minus 2. So we have already 9 and I am bringing that plus 2 in this side as a minus 2. So now you can see 7, so 6x plus x is a 7x. So we can just easily, we just write down or, so because that or x plus 6x equal to 9, so or 7x equal to 7, or we can just say x equal to, we are dividing both sides by 7, which is giving us 1. So x equal to 1, which is the solution. So the strategy to do this sort of linear equation with fraction, we always try to eliminate the denominator. So we try to multiply with a number that can eliminate the denominator, and then we try to do the side change and make x a subset. Let's have a look at another example. We have x plus 7 over 6 plus half equal to x minus 2 over 4. Here you can see we have 3 different fractions, like 6 as the denominator, 2 is the denominator here, 4 is the denominator. In this case, we have to look for least common denominator. It's the same thing, least common multiples that we used for adding the fraction and subtracting the fraction. So it's the same concept again. So what is the least common multiples of 6, 2, 4? I am not showing how to get that least common multiples in this video. For 6 to 4, least common denominator would be 12. So we are trying to find out the least common denominator for whatever the fractions we have, and then trying to multiply each fraction with this number. So in this case, we are just multiplying this one with 12, which is x plus 7 over 6, and then plus, you can just put in a bracket if you want, then 12 times half equal to Again, we are multiplying 12 this side. Also, we are multiplying for each fraction. So it's x minus 2 over 4, or each component here. So 6 goes for twice. I'm simplifying. 2 goes for 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Then 4, 3. So it means we have to multiply 2 of x plus 7. Whatever, this is very important, and whatever you have that result, it should be multiplied with whatever in the top part or in the numerator. So both elements should be multiplied by 2. 6 times 1 is 6. Again is 3 multiplied for the both element. Yeah. Now we need to expand it, and we already know how to expand it. I already explained to you another video. So 2x plus 14 plus 6 equal to 3x minus 3 times 2, which is 6. Now what we need to do, we need to bring that x in this side to make x subset, and moving these to the other side, the numbers. So if I move that plus 3x this side, it would be minus 3x. So I have 2x already here, minus 3x equal to, we have already minus 6 there. Then I'm moving that plus 14 as a minus 14, that plus 6 is a minus 6. So I'm putting the arrow just to make sure that I'm moving this, and I'm changing the sign for these elements. If I don't put the sign or the arrow, then students usually get confused or make a mistake when they change the sign. They forgot to change the sign of these numbers. Now 2x minus 3x, which is minus x, equal to minus 6 14. So it's total minus 20 minus 6, so minus 26. Then finally we can end up with x equal to 26. So x equal to 26 is the solution for this linear equation. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more update videos, please subscribe to the channel.